I got these really nice leak-proof 4-piece plastic containers. These things are great. They come in all sorts of different sizes, from 1 ounce all the way up to, let's just show you one. 1 ounce all the way up to 32 ounces. These are the ones that I have. And they also have different colors. These are the colors I have. As you can see, it's transparent. It's a nice plastic material. It is leak-proof as well. That's what it looks like in there. But it's leak-proof, used for all sorts of different reasons, from, makeup. People will put makeup in these, beads, jewelry, like creams, different creams, lotions, whatever. They'll put in these, all sorts of different reasons. Some people will even put like bulk foods and stuff in them and whatnot. But these are just great for all sorts of different uses. A lot of people, they're flying off the shelves on Amazon. So I highly recommend them.